Healing takes time. Success is lonely but fulfilling. Learn to walk alone and trust the process. Yan yung mga bagay na naintindihan ko sa journey ko right now. May mga panahon sa buhay natin na tahimik. Walang ingay, walang crowd, walang validation. Pero doon ka kadalasang pinapalakas ng Lord. Because time heals. Hindi mo man agad maramdaman, pero bawat araw na pinipili mong bumangon is part of your healing. Which is, totoo, success is a lone journey. Minsan, ikaw lang talaga ang naniniwala sa sarili mo. Walang claps, walang likes, pero tuloy ka lang. Because in the silence, growth happens. Kasi naintindihan ko, you don't need to rush your healing. Hindi mo din kailangan matakot na mag-isa. And don't quit just because no one sees you. Because one day, you'll thank yourself for not giving up. Kahit ikaw na lang yung may hawak sa sarili mong kamay ngayon. And when you finally make it, you realize, kaya pala, sulit pala. Tahimik ka man ngayon, may ginagawa niyan para sa'yo si Lord. Kasi hindi porket walang nangyayari sa labas, walang nangyayari sa loob. So let your quiet season be your building season. Tahimik ka nga, pero hindi ka talo. And you know what? Hindi mo kailangan i-post lahat ng progress mo. Totoo yun. May mga growth na hindi nakikita ng iba, pero ramdam mo. May healing na hindi loud, pero totoo. At may success na hindi kailangan ng spotlight. Kasi sapat na. Alam mong pinag-irapan mo yung mga bagay na to. Kasi naniniwala ako na ang finish na success, tahimik sa simula. Pero, syempre, time will come. Magiging maingay din yung pangalan mo, at yung nagawa mo. Kaya you know what? It's okay to walk alone if you have to. Hindi lahat sasama sa journey mo. May aalis, may mga hindi makakaintindi, pero please, don't stop just because you're walking alone. The dream is still alive. The vision is still valid, oh. The process is still worth it. Kung still, nasa healing process ka pa rin kahit mabagal, okay lang yan. Progress, kahit wala kang nakikita, it's okay. Dahil hindi ka late, you are just your own timing. Remember, healing takes time. Success is not a race. Being alone doesn't mean being lost. You are still on the way. And when it's your time, it will be beautiful. Sabi nga, mag-isa ka man ngayon, hindi ibig sabihin wala kang patutunguhan. Kasi alam ko naman talaga nakakapagod nakakalungkot, nakakawalang gana. Pero kung bumabangon ka pa rin araw-araw at pinipili mong huwag bumitaw, ibig sabihin lumalaban ka pa rin. Kahit walang audience, walang reward, still, at the end of the day, I tell you, may patutunguhan yan. Kaya ngayon pa lang, I congratulate you. Welcome to your new version.